Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the maximum or minimum function, min, max and min function in Excel. So maximum function is to identify or to locate the maximum value. For example, we have taken sample data here of different individuals. So you have long data just like this data is. Maybe you have more data than this data. So to identify maximum value, click in the box where you want to get this and then write is equal and max. Then press tab and select the values and then enter. So here you can see the maximum value is 96,000. Similarly, if you want to calculate minimum value, write is equal, then min and press tab and then again select values and press enter, and here you can see the minimum value is 16,000 and maximum value is 96,000. So this is how you can use maximum and minimum function in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.